Welcome to another edition of Your Money Minute. Today we're going to explain the difference between paying off debts with the Snowball and Avalanche methods. Debt Snowball and Debt Avalanche are both do-it-yourself approaches to speed up your debt repayment. With both methods, you start out by paying all your minimum payments on time, and each time you pay off a debt, you add that monthly payment onto the next bill's minimum. That way, your payment grows with every debt paid off. With the Snowball Method, you focus on paying off the smallest debts first before moving on to bigger ones. This method can be more expensive, but yields quicker results, which can be valuable for maintaining motivation. With the Avalanche Method, you focus on paying off the debt with the highest interest rate. This method will result in paying less interest over time, but requires discipline because it can make progress feel slow. Regardless of the method you choose, work to eliminate debt in your life today. That's all for now. We'll catch you next time.